Thank you for joining us. I'm Cynthia Aguirre.
And I'm Chris Lawrence. First at 5, the Surgeon General has announced plans to offer COVID booster shots starting next month.
Here in Texas, more than 13 million people are fully vaccinated. So who can get the booster and when? Tiffany Liu has more.
You want to stay ahead of the virus.
COVID-19 vaccine boosters could start September 20th, pending approval of the FDA and CDC.
You don't want to find yourself behind playing catch up.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says if you're vaccinated, you could get another shot 8 months after your second dose of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine.
There's nothing magic about 8 months, and you got to say that with a caveat because the FDA hasn't approved that yet.
Dr. Curtis Galke with UNT Health Science Center says after you're vaccinated, antibody levels can decline over time.
What we're seeing now that I think is getting the CDC's attention is a waning of our immunity to the first shots. And at the same time, we're seeing a more contagious variant.
He says a booster vaccine will lower infectivity of COVID-19. But in terms of hospitalizations and deaths, the initial vaccines are doing the job. Dr. Galke says there are still many who haven't had their first shot, let alone their second or third.
What's the best allotment of our resources?
Over in Fort Worth, at Ventavia Research Group, Dr. Mark Cook has been running COVID vaccine trials, including the booster shot.
The trials have not shown anything dangerous. There have not been any warning signals in the trials.
And he says it's important to clarify.
If you received Pfizer, then you would receive a Pfizer booster. If you received Moderna, you would receive a Moderna booster. I don't know what the plans are for Johnson & Johnson and AstraZeneca.
At Ventavia, these booster trials have been going on for about a month and a half, and Dr. Cook is still looking for more volunteers.
How long does a booster last? We don't know that number yet, any better than we knew what the first and second doses of this were going to give us.
He says with time, there will be more data, and right now he does believe the booster shots are safe. In Dallas, I'm Tiffany Liu.